British Prime Minister Boris Johnson resigned as leader of the Conservative Party on Thursday. He said he will stay on as Prime Minister while the party selects a new leader. Here are some of those who could, based on popularity, experience or expressions of interest, compete to become the next British Prime Minister in the weeks and months to come. Penny Mordaunt, 49, is a junior trade minister who first became a member of parliament in 2010. She has held a number of roles in government. In 2019, Mordaunt, a former Royal Navy reservist, became Britain's first female defence secretary. Johnson sacked her from that position shortly after he became Prime Minister. She re-entered government a year later and was broadly seen to have been supportive of Johnson. An arch-Brexiteer, Mordaunt could appeal to the Brexit wing of the party. She is best known outside of politics for having appeared in a now-defunct reality show. Ben Wallace, the defense secretary for the past 3 years, was among senior ministers who urged Johnson to step down Thursday. But Wallace himself has not resigned, citing an obligation to keep this country safe, no matter who is PM. Wallace, 52, has been a member of parliament since 2005 and before that was a member of Scotland's devolved parliament. He attended the Royal Military Academy Sandhurst and was commissioned as an officer in the Scots Guards in his 20s. The former Chancellor of the Exchequer, Britain's top finance minister, was a front-runner to replace Johnson until a scandal over his billionaire heiress wife's tax affairs earlier this year. His handling of the runaway inflation that sparked a cost of living crisis also caused Sunak's popularity to plummet. Along with his mentor, former Health Secretary Sajid Javid, he sparked the start of cabinet resignations when he stepped down Tuesday. Sunak, 42, became Chancellor in 2020, just as the coronavirus pandemic began, moving into the official residence next door to Johnson's on Downing Street. He was first elected to Parliament in 2015 and had been dubbed Rishi Rishi by some British tabloids because of his charismatic presentations and slick use of social media.